So hopefully this isn't going to get cut off. I left a little room at the beginning there just in case. Today's vlog is going to be slightly different because I'm trying out, actually I'm opening OpenToonz here, but I really shouldn't because I haven't actually downloaded the new build yet. From what I've been told, the new build of OpenToonz should have the ability to, I don't want to make a link, should have the ability to add and remove rooms. So I'm gonna go download this and try it out. Wait, what? Cancel. I want it right here. Okay. Yes. 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 Move and replace. Yes. 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 Wait. What? Yes. Okay. It's merging, not replacing. Honestly, do this for all of them. Okay. So, I just made a backup of my... A backup? It should be a backup, but my original is gone. Well, this could take a while. Meanwhile, let's pull up my Google and go check out the build. Okay, so apparently they're doing nightly builds now. I honestly don't know why they're called builds, but I'll pretend I know. Where is it? It was on something about rooms, I think. Oh, wait, this one is. So what do we got here? Let's open it in a new tab so it's, whoa, it's still really big. Ooh, it's got the lock here. Unlock room editing features. Open menu bar from the content. Whoa. This is weird. Pop up from the context menu, room tab to customize menu bar. Drag and drop menu items to the menu bar tree in the left pane. Okay, we're totally going to try this because this looks flippin' awesome. Okay, so here we go. It's still downloading. Now, how do I download this? Do I just do that? No, I guess. Oh, wait. Do I not need that? Do I just need this? Let's do the setup.exe. I'm going to assume that the setup.exe is going to do it right. What I've been told in one of these rooms, which I don't know which... Oh, you know what? I can do this. Topics I replied to. Apply selected filters. Anything new? Fill gradient? No, it's not that one. I saw it in my Gmail, so I'm not exactly sure. Ooh. Try again. Try again. Did I skip? Oh, yep, it was this one. It said a clean install is required, so do I have... it says I have to uninstall. Okay, let's do that. I'll go ahead and post in the description where all of this installing and testing out new build ends so that if you just want to watch me animate, you can go ahead and just skip to a certain point. Okay, OpenToonz is successfully removed from your computer. Now I just have to wait. Sorry, I forget sometimes that you guys can't see my second monitor. I just need to wait for the download to finish. Let's go ahead and remove the filters. Clear all filters, display all topics. So, this is almost done. We're going to cancel this one. And hopefully we don't need it. 1. Good. Good. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. Run. Yes. Yes. Okay. I agree. I accept the agreement. Oops. On the wrong computer. Yes. Yes. Next. 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 Install. Installing. 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 Next. And it's launching. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's crashing on me. Okay, well. Loading, loading. You know what? It's still crashing. Well, this could be interesting. All my files are here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up, where would that be? Would that be computer? No, OS, program files. Maybe I needed that package thing. Let's try opening it from here. It's got all these files. But no, I think it's going to quit on me again. Yep. So we're going to do this. We're going to come over here. We're going to go download OpenToonz package and see what's in there. It seems to have about a minute left, so. You know, I could sing Hamilton while we wait, but which one would I even do? Probably one of my favorites is One Last Time. Unfortunately, I don't know it all. But the best part in it's probably one last time, relax, have a drink with me, one last time, and then we'll teach them how to say goodbye, you and I. Oh, yay, it's done. Okay, let's see what's in here. It says it doesn't know how to open it. Okay. Okay. It says .pkg. So let's select a program from the list. I'm going to try opening it with Notepad. When in doubt, try opening with Notepad, because text files will normally open in Notepad. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one, and I'm just going to drag it in here, because that sometimes is what you should do. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now let's see if it opens. No, it doesn't look like it's gonna. Do I need the source code? I don't see why I would need the source code, but. Yep, crashing on me. Let's go check out the group, see what people say about this. Newest releases are always buggy as it is. You know what? First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go re-download OpenToonz from the original site. So opentoonz.github.io, because I know this one works. So we're going to go ahead and download this again. And the very helpful Japanese terms of service when I don't speak Japanese. But I put it through Google Translate, and it didn't seem to have anything that I wouldn't agree with, so I go ahead and accept it. I am aware that most people do not actually read terms of service agreements on the internet. I'm normally one of them, but when it's in a language I don't understand, I'm a little more cautious. Which is ironic, I know. Okay, OpenToonz.exe. Let's go ahead and install stuff. Yay! Okay, English. Next. Sorry that it's on the other screen. It's installing. Okay, finish. Now it's going to launch OpenToonz and we'll see if it opens. What may happen is it'll open. I got all my files here. The keys and the new stuff is not actually here, which is to be expected. I just downloaded the original. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to try, well, it opened, but it wasn't anything. I'm going to try deleting this folder. And then we're going to try re-downloading from that nightly build thing and see if that fixes it. Oh wait, why would I do this again? I already got this set up over here. Run. Yes. Okay, English. I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. Install. It's preparing to install OpenToonz. Okay. It's a little mad at me, I think. So in the meantime, let's read some of these. Reduce vector point line. Oh. Following applications are using files that are needed. Oh. It's because this is open. Okay. Okay, cancel. Stop. Next. Loading, 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 loading. Almost there, almost there. Finish. Launching OpenToonz. Oh, please launch. Initializing Toonz environment. Nope, it's crashing. Oh, I really want to try the build. Okay, let's see what other people are saying. What's that? So we're going to try to uninstall OpenToonz again and make sure that OpenToonz stuff is deleted. Right now this should be the default file of OpenToonz stuff, but it's not actually opening, so that doesn't help for figuring out. Let's try. I'm going to run that as an administrator and see if that makes a difference. Okay. And it broke every single time. We're going to try one more time and then we'll probably just try re-downloading it again. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description if you don't want to watch all this ridiculousness. I'll put one link if I manage to get it to work for when, or not a link, a time. I'll put the time that I finally managed to get it to download or managed to not or gave up. And then I'll put a link to when I start animating, which may be exactly the same as when I gave up. So we'll see. Over here. Oh, OpenToonz uninstall. Yes. Yes. Okay, it's uninstalled. We're going to delete this. Yes. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to take this. gonna make this smaller here. Let's go back to the build. I don't think I need the source code. Like, I can't see why I would need the source code. I've got the setup here. Yes. It always does it on the main computer. I accept the agreement. OpenToonz 1.0. Next. No. Hold on. We're going to cancel for a sec. Supposedly I still have an OpenToonz folder. And it is there. I wonder if that's what's messing it up. We're going to delete this. Yes. Continue. Okay. Now OpenToonz should not be anywhere on my computer. Just checking my other stuff. Okay. Let's try this again. Setup. Run on the other computer. I apologize. Next. Accept the agreement. Go in, and there's my OpenToonz stuff folder, nice and added. Okay, finish. It's now launching, and if it crashes on me again, wait. Hey, it's opening! Oh my gosh, it opened, but I don't have the little lock over there that I'm supposed to have. You know what? I'm very silly. I just installed it from the link I had from Weebly's site. That's the wrong OpenToonz. Okay, let's go ahead and uninstall. That was a false alarm. I thought it was working. Okay, yes. Uninstalling. Okay, everything's removed. We'll delete this folder. Go to program files. Guess the other program files. Hey, it actually got rid of it this time. Okay. Let's try this again. Run. Yes. Okay. I accept the agreement. Next. Install. There's my stuff folder. Finish. I apologize to anyone if anyone's watching this stream, this is probably extremely boring. Hey, you know it opened, and I have the lock. Oh my gosh! Okay, so how do I edit? Customize, configure shortcuts? No. Lock room panes? Oh, no, okay. I don't know how to edit it. I'm gonna go, eek! Okay, sorry, I'm not silly at all, no. Okay, customize, okay. X sheet, customize, no, X sheet, sub X sheet levels, render, cells, edit, or would I edit rooms? Like, I'm not even sure. Okay, back to this. I should really just go ahead and read everything. Oh, wait. It's over here. Okay. Unlock the room. Open menu bar pop-up from context menu. Okay. Context menu. Cells. Okay. Customize menu bar of room X sheet. Oh, cool. I can do that? Okay. If you put drag and drop menu items to the menu bar on tree and left pane. I honestly have no idea what they're talking about. So, customize menu bar. I'm assuming it would be in some kind of view. So we're going to come over here. It's unlocked. Edit. Nope. Render. Nope. X sheet. No. Sub X sheet. Close. Cells. Edit. Render. Wait. Preferences? No, I'm not seeing anything in there. Configure shortcuts. No. Customize menu bar. Clean up maybe? File, save, scan, settings, camera. Okay. So I'm getting this lock here. But I'm not getting customized rooms. So I'm going to come back here. Open menu bar pop-up from a context menu of room tab to customize context menu of room. Like, what does that even mean? Oh. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Okay. Okay, I found it. Now, oh my gosh. I could do. Okay. So we're going to lock this. We're going to X this. Okay. We're going to drag my OpenToonz 1.0 stuff back in. Okay, do all this. Yes. Working. Do all. Try again. Skip. Okay. Move and replace. Gonna let that go. We're good. Okay, let's try opening it up again, and hopefully it doesn't fail on me. Okay. Nope, it's opening up just fine. Oh, thank goodness I can finally customize menus. Okay. So here we want customized in every freaking single room. So hold on. Where how do I do this? Menu items. So right now, why NB, I'm not even sure what that means, but if you put unique title on submenu, it may be translated to another language. Duplicated commands will be ignored, only the last one will appear in the menu bar. Okay. Adult. Okay, what have I got here? Menu commands, tools. Okay, got all the tools. So, you know, the funny thing is I was just trying to figure out how to do this kind of thing in the code yesterday. So here we've got file, edit, scan, and level. Okay. Customize. Schematic. Okay. Wait, what? That I didn't do that right. Okay. Customize menu. Customize schematic. Wait. Was it Windows schematic? Oops. Customize, configure shortcuts. Okay, got X sheet, scene settings. I'm so confused. I don't have customize over here. Insert menu. Wait. No. Control Z. Remove new menu. Okay. X sheets. Oh, I see it. These are the. Oh, okay. I have. Okay, cancel. I have this in here. Got it. So here's actually. Let's start with cleanup. Customize menu bar. We've got file, which I don't like having. I love that you can add a separator. We're gonna actually remove separator, remove preferences, remove keyboard shortcuts. Just clean up this a little bit. What do I never use? No, those are all pretty. Import Magpie file. I don't have Magpie. New project settings, save default settings. I am recording. What do you want? What? Nothing. Okay. Apologize for that. Got that. Preview settings, preview, separator, output settings, render. Oh, I didn't know I even had that in file. Oh, cool. Okay. So now we're gonna insert menu, customize. Actually, we're just gonna stick with the normal for now, and I will customize the stuff later. Oh, I'm so happy. First thing we want is actually, no, file, because it's under file normally. Preferences, configure shortcuts. Hold on, I have got to see something. We're gonna press OK. It is literally a button right here. It's not in its own section. That is flipping awesome. So we're gonna come back here. We're gonna put that in customize because I don't want that. You know what? I could totally. Oh, I got an idea. Okay, so for now. It's like, how many of these do I actually use? I have no idea. We're gonna do this. For now, I'm gonna make a new menu. I'm gonna call this main menu. I'm gonna put everything in main menu. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new menu. I'm gonna call this one. No, actually I'm gonna delete that. Pretend that. Remove new menu. We're gonna come over here, and what we want is file. So I'm gonna say save scene. Or save level. Or save palette. Convert file, load color, new project, save default. I'm not seeing a save palette. I wonder where that would be. Level. X sheet, scene settings, explode. Okay, yeah, I got all that. Cells. Okay, no one cares. I mean, some people probably care, but I don't. I'm not actually seeing save palette. Save color palette. Isn't that the command? Okay, we're gonna press OK. File. I'm gonna be save palette as save. You know, I'm not seeing it anywhere. But now we can save scenes, save level, just that easily. I'm gonna rewind because I don't want to do that. Just that was me messing around, but I want my menus back. So we're gonna come back here. But I can rearrange them if I want. But I like file being all the way over there. Okay. Delete this one, remove. Now I've got customized there, but let's pull it down here. X sheet should be up. Windows can be towards the end. Levels should be towards the beginning. Help can be, wait, isn't help just like, press OK. Help is just about OpenToonz right now. Help can be completely destroyed. So we're just going to say remove help, put edit right after file because that is probably the most used. Scan and clean up, scan settings, scan, set crop box. Wait, why is customize in there? Camera test, preview, cleanup. Nope, we're gonna go ahead and delete, scan, and set up. Okay, for now, that's good. So now, let's try adding a new room. I can rename it this easily. Test subject. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay. Customize menu bar. We're gonna go ahead and remove. I will totally be making a whole nother tutorial on this when I get a chance. Now, question. Press OK. Now there's nothing. But we're gonna go ahead and put window. Now we can edit this. Okay, hold on. You're supposed to all be in there. Good. I didn't know there was reset to default rooms. I don't want to do that ever. So, oops. Let's see. You can make 2 of them. File browser, style editor, studio palette, viewer, function editor, batch servers. Stop that. Stop it. There we go. Schematic, workroom panes, combo viewer. Wait, I accidentally grabbed schematic. Combo viewer. Block. What? I already got that. Flipbook. Tasks. Palette. Don't need about. History. Yes, please. Toolbar. Definitely. Okay. We're going to press OK. Well, let's get some windows in here. Message center. For no apparent reason. Tool option bar. Always goes at the very top. We want a viewer. Gonna go with palette. And now we're just going to leave it there because this is a test one and I totally plan on deleting it. Now the question is, how do I remove rooms? No. You know, that's a really good question. How on earth do I delete rooms? Okay. Okay, so you can I have a feeling it's gonna have to be like you come in here and you mess with it in profiles. So, ooh, menu bar names. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock this, X this. Yes, okay. Now we're gonna come over here. Oh my. OS. OpenToonz stuff. Profiles, layouts, Adrian. Which one's which? Just this. Oh, absolutely nothing in there. Is that the right one? Room 13? Yep, that would be the right one. So we're going to go to layouts and remove room 13.ini and see what happens. Save. Now let's go ahead and open up OpenToonz. And it's gone. Thank goodness. Okay. So I currently do not know how to remove a room just from here. It's locked right now, which is why I can't do anything. We're going to try this one more time. We're going to say dead. Okay. Wow. Why did I say that? Okay, done. That's a little less morbid. Customize menu bar. Is there a room menu editor thing in here? Preferences, maybe? Edit. Well, delete. I feel like delete should do it. But then again, I pressed delete. Didn't do anything. It's still doing this off thing, even though I've got totally re-downloaded the folder. Okay, we're gonna unlock that and see what happens if I unlock it and then bring OpenToonz back up. It still saved my settings. Unlock it, and then we're gonna come over here and delete room 14.ini. And then I will stop boring you all and mess with this on my own time. Oh, I messed with that for 36 minutes. Let's get to some animating. So, 36 minutes, really? Okay. I'm gonna leave that locked. Now I have no idea what I want to animate. So, let's try this. I've been playing with male facial designs recently. Like, I am not very good at drawing males. I draw mostly women, and even that, I am still working on it. But I've been messing with male facial structure in terms of cartoon, that is. It's not really realistic. And then male hair, which, by the way, is a lot of fun. I mean, girls, you can do a lot with girl hair, but men's hair? Anyway. So if I, the problem is I draw this out, and then I don't know what to do with it. Like, I've got a picture of a face in a rest position. Big whoop. Now what? So, the other day this happened. I drew the face. I drew like I normally would, and then I just went ahead and made him yawn. There I go yawning. Maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and delete some of my extra Chrome tabs because they tend to slow down the computer quite a bit. Oh my gosh, I can edit rooms! Ah! I'm so happy right now. So we'll go ahead and erase this. I should probably go ahead and make a new project, since that's what I'm supposed to be doing every day. Day 656. Nope. 56 was yesterday. 57. In raw scene X out. I wish I could just get this to fill it automatically. Scripts. Okay. Save. Actually, no, we're going to say don't save. We're going to say discard. Okay. Because it's just a silly guy drawing. Ideas. Animals. Let's put in ostrich. Let's go watch an ostrich on YouTube and see what they look like. When in doubt, go with animating an animal, not necessarily an ostrich. A documentary. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Lion cracks crocodile. Why would I want to see that? Oh my gosh, look at those feathers. Oh my. That's adorable. What is he doing? I think he's making himself look bigger. What? Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. I think that's what I'm doing tonight. I hope you guys like ostrich. But I gotta get it to... Ooh. I skipped backwards and now it's really far in because it's 40... Oops. I skipped to the next video. It's a 43-minute documentary, so we're gonna go ahead and skip through this. I hope you guys can't hear what's going on, because I certainly can. Okay. I can't hear what's in the documentary, so I really don't want you guys to hear it since I don't know what's going on. Ooh. Wow, these guys are gorgeous. So I'm just going to do a straight, not a very detailed background, just a little sandy, whatever. Let's go ahead and save version 001 because I'm too lazy to call it anything else. Animation. So from here, you don't actually, I just realized I don't want a background. What I do want is a nice line for him to walk on, so I don't have to worry about moving the line. Okay. Now, it's on E already. Now what I want to do is save. Then save the level. No, I'm on a current. Whoa. I am very much on a current level. Save. No, I'm not. It's got like a roundish body with a really fluffy tail. A very fluffy tail. Or is that? That's his wing. We're gonna rewind. I think it's got a tail kind of like that, and then it's got a wing and a wing. And that's his tail, and he's got his head. His beautiful head, which comes up kind of like that, and his beak. And then he's got some majorly interesting legs here, like straight down. But it looks like he's on his tiptoes. I don't know if that's really what it's supposed to look like, but it's certainly what it looks like. It's hard to tell because it's a very blurry picture. We're gonna err on the side of no tiptoes. So, yep, we want eraser. Give him a knee here. And at this point, this foot should be back here with a knee as well. And it is on its tippy toes because it's lifting its leg. We should be in the animation tab for this. It should be a lot longer. Jefferson, welcome home. Welcome home. Mr. Jefferson, welcome home. Onions again, please. Perfecto. So we're gonna come over here and so he's got his foot back like this. This is the front foot this time. So this should be slightly lower. Because he's down. And this one should be kind of like this, because he's pulling his foot forward. I'm actually going to straighten out his neck some. So his neck's not actually moving that much up and down because he's straight. I don't know if this is how it actually looks. This is me kind of guessing. Because even though I have that video, it's not a very good video in terms of reference because I can't see what the heck is going on. So we're going to pull this foot forward. We're basically treating this poor ostrich like a human. He's, for all intents purposes, walking like a human. Gonna start lifting his foot here. But you know, maybe that's good. Maybe I can learn something about how a human walks. Or maybe I'm just animating badly and I don't care for tonight because I'm tired. And I want to play with room stuff, but I don't want to bore you all with my overexcited squealing. I'm probably going to go after this and write down all of the menu options, and figure out what would be good for what room, and basically go ahead and fix all my menus, because right now I've got defaults in every room because that's just what happens when you make the new room via Notepad. So sticking up this foot. Alexander Hamilton. I got that stuck in my head. So what did I miss? What did I miss? Virginia, my home sweet home, I wanna give you a kiss. Mwah. I've been in France meeting lots of lovely ladies. I guess I basically missed the late 80s. I traveled the wide, wide world and came back to this. Oh, here we go. It's finally back up. The boarding has been very low recently. So now he can get his foot higher. We're going to pull his body back up, because this is the highest point it would be. And we're going to go ahead and bend his neck a little and bring his head a little bit up just because it was down before. And we're going to pull this down here. You know what I'm doing wrong? They don't walk like that because they don't have the same joints as humans. So we're gonna go ahead and delete these. What I wasn't realizing, because I wasn't looking at the frame, this is why you use video reference, is his legs bend forward, which is why mine looked so weird. So that's actually flippin' awesome. We're gonna redo this here. There's his wings, because he seems to really like puffing up his wings. Now I'm gonna, this one, he's got his leg like this, and his foot's kind of bent forward like this. That looks more like an ostrich. good. This is my first time animating an ostrich, as you can probably tell. I think I may have done a peacock before, but I don't exactly remember. Okay. Next up, the foot back here is kind of lifting it off. It should be light, nice and extended. And this one should be doing this. This is getting ready to sit down. It still looks a little weird. This should be low point. So we're going to pull his body down a little bit. But we're going to straighten out his neck a little bit and not move his head all that much. Because I don't think his head moves all that much. He's going up a little bit. Now, this one he'd be pulling this one forward. He'd be kind of in the, this is the top range, this is like the top of where he will ever be. Most bent neck. Still want to have the head in roughly the same position, and I'm going to have to mess with this head because I'm not actually paying too much attention to where I'm putting it. Okay, we're gonna define this back leg here because I'm having trouble telling where all this stuff is. Save the level real quick just in case. This is the back leg. Back leg still. And back leg. Okay. There we go. So now what I'm going to do is I've got this one and this one are roughly the same. Not exactly, but roughly. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one and paste it down here. But all I gotta do is take the eraser and switch the legs. This is the cheat method, or at least the quick method that is a lot easier to work with when you are either strapped for time or just busy. Ta-tsum, and 3 I will need, but I need to swap the legs. Thomas Jefferson's coming home. Thomas Jefferson's coming home. You know what? That's good. that's the keys. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and I'm going to real quick. And we're going to set these to 4s, just so we can get an idea of how it's moving. That head's bobbing up pretty quickly, but yeah, that head's gonna have to be redone. But overall, it's not looking too bad. We're gonna go ahead and delete these extras here. Reframe these to 2s. Let's put onion skin on, but make it so that I can pretty much see all of them. Oh, that's why it's kind of jumping. We're gonna copy this one and put it here, and we're gonna come fix this one. Just want the last and the next for this. Huh. Just gonna make a quick in between in terms of the head and see if that helps. Let's reframe all these to 1s. Oopsie, I pushed play. I'm not sure it makes much sense with the body movement. Let's try that out. Hello. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that head alone for now. Just gonna do straight in betweens. You reframe to 2s, please. Easiest to in between on 2s, because all you gotta do is delete the middle frame and you've got your slot. I guess where the legs are concerned, this may be more breakdowns than in betweens. Oh my. feel like I'm gonna have to take out this one because these ones are super close and it's gonna slow it down quite a bit. But I'll see when I push play. I can go ahead and delete that one for now. Frame this to 2s. So we got twice as many frames as before. Okay, let's see how that goes. And there. Should clean this up a little bit. Now to see if that looks any better. That's a little cleaner. There's some major slowing down around here, which makes sense because we've got 3 frames devoted to that picking up of the foot, and that's not really necessary. So we're gonna delete that one as well. Past that, I shouldn't need to repeat what I'm doing, so. Let's try that. That's closer. But it really hits a wall, like. I think it's still too much time devoted to the right here. It moves there super fast. I feel like I should in between right there real quick. Which makes sense. I don't think I actually in between that one. Reframe these to 2s. Go ahead and save real quick because it would really be annoying to lose all this work. Okay, let's go ahead and extend that out and try it. It's a little better. So, as much as this really needs cleaning up, I'm probably going to leave it there for today because I have a paper due in capstone tomorrow that I need to work on. So let me go ahead and render this out real quick. Render output settings. Daily anim. Let's see how this goes. And it's quitting on me. If I don't touch it, it'll come back. Da-da-da. Good thing I saved everything. Yeah, it's telling me I have to mess with that first. Well, it's not giving me that. Okay, close window. Oh my. There we go. All I had to do was press enter. OpenToonz. Opening it back up. Good thing I saved everything. Day 657. Scene. Load scene. It's even my... Nope, I gotta put that back. Let's go change my output settings to daily anim. And let's try this again. Render. Nope. That got farther that time. Okay. I wonder if this has to do with the new build or if it just doesn't like me. Oh yeah. Enter. We already established that. Draw. Nope, it would be an extra. Nope, it would be in scenes, of course. Load scene. I have render in here. Interesting. Output settings. Daily anim. You know what it is? It's because MOV's not in here anymore. Where'd my MOV go? Okay, that's interesting. I use MOV for everything. I kind of need that. Huh. Well, we're going to stick with AVI for now. Hopefully that works. Scene settings. Yep, that was the problem. You know, it actually walks way better in this one. How big's that file, though? OS. Projects. Out. Hold on. You said you rendered just fine. Well, that's odd. Okay. But it's an 168 megabyte file. That's not going to work. Okay. I'm going to spare you the boring details. I will end it here and hopefully figure out how to bring my MOV option back. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.